Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the new Apple Watch faces that you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So Apple Watch faces are really important for any smartwatch, and you can now install the Apple Watch faces on this watch, and they absolutely look amazing on the watch. So we will see all the Apple Watch faces that we can install on the Amazfit GTS 4 and how they look on this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit GTS 4 has been a great smartwatch, and it comes with a lot of features and functions, and you also get the option to install the custom watch faces on this watch, and there are Apple Watch faces among them too, which looks absolutely beautiful on the watch. So let's see all the Apple Watch faces you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So the first watch face on the list is the Siri watch face. So you can install this watch face from the Amazfit app, and this looks absolutely beautiful on the watch. So the watch face comes with a lot of functions, like it shows you this beautiful animation, and also you can directly go to the activity by tapping on that, and also you can see it is showing you the step count, heart rate, calories along with the weather information, and also this is a clickable weather icon which you are getting on this watch face. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with any of the always on display, but definitely you can set a default always on display on the watch. So the next watch face which you can install looks really good, and this is a customized Apple watch face that you can install on the watch. This watch face has the clock in the left hand side, which is an analog style clock, along with the icons, and it shows some of the information, like it shows the battery percentage here and also the time in the digital format. And obviously these are not the clickable icons, but definitely this looks really good on the watch. And this watch face unfortunately doesn't come with any always on display, but definitely you can set an always on display of your choice. One of the good looking watch faces you can get on this watch. So the name of the watch face is iPhone iOS, and it really looks good on the watch. Next watch face on the list is a big number watch face, and in analog style it displays the time. This is known as the Typography watch face, and this watch face is an Apple watch face which you can get from the Amazfit app also. The watch face comes with different colors, and you can see all the colors here. Unfortunately, this watch face also doesn't come with an always on display, but definitely this is a really good looking watch face you are getting on this watch. So the next watch face on the list is the Infograph watch face, and this is also an Apple watch face which you can get for the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So this watch face can be one of the most functional watch faces you can get, as it shows a lot of information like the battery percentage, the weather, the step count, and also the alarm. It also shows your activity here and the date and the day. And this watch face also comes with a lot of clickable shortcuts. So all the icons in the watch face are clickable, and you can go directly to the activity and heart rate and other information by clicking on these icons. And all the four corners are clickable, and you can see all this information directly from the smartwatch itself. So really a good watch face you are getting for the Amazfit GTS 4. So this is the Apple Watch Infograph watch face. You can download it from the Amazfit app itself. So the next watch face on the list is the new Nike watch face, and this watch face comes with beautiful colors, and this is an Apple Nike edition watch face. You can see it shows you the time and also the information like the weather, the battery percentage, the heart rate, and the step count. Really minimalistic watch face, and these are clickable icons. All the four corners of the watch face are functional clickable icons which you are getting to know more of the information regarding the watch. So definitely a really good watch face you are getting for the Amazfit GTS 4, and I will recommend you to download this watch face. So again, another beautiful watch face. This is the Metropolitan Apple watch face, and one of the really good looking watch face you can get for the Amazfit GTS 4. Again, it displays the time in this analog format, and it displays some of the information like the battery percentage, the weather, and the date and a day, and also the sunrise and sunset information. And these are clickable icons. Again, you can go directly to the weather by clicking on the top left corner, and obviously the sunset and sunrise information you are getting on the watch. So definitely a really good looking watch face you are getting. Unfortunately, this also doesn't come with any always on display, but you can set this watch face on your Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So the next watch face is also a famous watch face, and this is the numerals duo watch face of the Apple Watch. You are getting it on the Amazfit GTS 4. It looks really good because of the black AMOLED display of the watch, and the colors really pop out. This is one of the minimalistic watch face you can get for the watch, although there is no always on display again, but definitely one of the really good looking watch face you are getting. So you can install this from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of numerals duo navy blue, and it is compatible with the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So these are some of the good looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 4, and definitely more watch faces will be added in the Amazfit app. And also I will be making more watch face videos in order to see the best of the watch faces for this smartwatch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.